What's going on? I want to show you guys this smart door lock I just got in. Really cool new addition to my door and my home security. So what this thing does, it's a electronic smart door lock. There's multiple different ways you can unlock this thing. You can use it with a thumbprint, which is really nice. You can also use it with a key, just like a traditional door lock. This just pulls out, flips up. You have the key there. It comes with keys. It also comes with a keypad that you can swipe, which I'll show you as well. And then it also can be integrated with an app on your phone, and you can unlock it and lock it on your phone. This thing also tracks and records every time this thing was locked and unlocked. So if you're using this for a rental home, an Airbnb, for your housekeeper, for a cleaning person, babysitter, whatever it is, you can see when they're coming and going and when they're locking the door. It's super convenient if you forget your keys. I do that a lot. So having something like this where I can just electronically open it or use my phone to open my door makes the life a lot easier. Or if you have to have a family member or friend run into your house or grab something, you can unlock it for them when you're nowhere near your house, which is really nice. So let me show you kind of a couple features of this thing, how you can unlock it and how you can lock it, and then I'll show you how to install it.